Hi there. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to withdraw from Bitget to bank account. So let's get started. First things first, open the Bitget app on your device. From the Bitget homepage, the first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Once you're in your profile section, tap on Sell Now. Here's something important to understand. When you sell your crypto assets, the funds will go directly into your linked bank account. When you buy assets, they'll go into your crypto wallet inside Bitget. Before withdrawing, you need to make sure your bank account is linked to Bitget. To do this, tap the Methods section in the middle. Then select your payment method from the options. Depending on your region, you'll see different options available. Once your payment method is set up, you can simply choose a trader from the list, sell your crypto assets, and the money will be sent directly to your bank account. And that's how you withdraw from Bitget to bank account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.